Welcome back, aliens. You are at the Codify. Today we are doing exercise on a Python. This is the first video of our series of quick code. Today we are going to print Fibonacci series. Write a Python program to get a Fibonacci series between 0 to 50. The main question is, what is Fibonacci series? A series of a number in which each number is a sum of two previous numbers, like this: 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, etc. First of all, we have to declare first two values like a 0, 1, and we get after this one value. After adding 0 plus 1, we get 2. After adding 1 plus 1, we got 3. After adding 1 plus 2, likewise we got Fibonacci series. We get back to our ID. We write here code x comma y equal to 0 comma 1. We are assigning x to 0 and y to 1, right? You get this now? Yes. After we writing while y is less than 50, means up to 50, means our series will be run. Means up to 50 our series will be run. Yes. In that while loop we just printing y value. Yes. After that x comma y equal to y comma x plus y. We are just assigning this y value to x and x plus y value to y. First condition will check y less than 50. Yes, y is equal to 1 right now. So it enter into loop. Yes, and print y. Then value of y get assigned to x, and addition of x plus y is assigned to x, which means 0 plus 1 assigned to y and 1 assigned to x. Now yes, after this condition will check again. Case is a true, and it again enter into loop and print y again. Value of y is 1. Yes, and it will means assigned to x, right? But value of y is changed now, because we are storing x plus y, which is 1 plus 1 2 y. Likewise, in a similar way, process will occur again and again until case become false. So aliens, this is a full explanation of a Fibonacci series. If you want to learn more coding problem, then comment down below.